Surface water management and settlement. When a home is first built, many types of materials are brought together to form the foundation, walls, interior, and features. All of these materials go through different settling stages as they mature and as the seasons change. Each climate will affect building materials and the ground around your home differently, as will the time of year the home is constructed. Ground settlement is a homeowner maintenance responsibility. Low spots must be filled after the soil has settled. To fill a low spot, remove the topsoil and fill with compacted clay, ensuring it slopes away from the foundation. Do not use topsoil to fill a low spot as it can have poor drainage and even create new low spots as the soil settles over time. Once filled with clay, topsoil can be added again. For more information about surface water management and managing settlement, visit our website, ANHWP.com. We've got you covered every step of the way.